The beneficiary of a professional restoration, this sweet coupe wraps 440 cubic inches of professionally massaged big block in timeless red and black aesthetics. If you've always dreamed of owning first-class Mopar muscle, but don't want the inherent stress that comes with collector-grade muscle, here's the perfect solution. This authentic Charger RT prowls the boulevard as a highly appealing resto mod that's clean, mean, and ready to roar. The solid body was professionally stripped and rebuilt by Raleigh, North Carolina's B-Max Auto Restoration. That rebirth has logged minimal miles of road time, and today this Dodge shines as a straight, fully detailed pavement pounder that gains fans wherever it goes. Inside, upgraded vinyl hugs short bucket seats that are complemented by 3-point safety belts. A square dash hangs Dakota digital gauges next to modern air conditioning and a Pioneer head unit. The driver commands the 3-speed through a traditional shifter on an attractive factory console, and turns are made by a factory steering wheel. Pop the hood and you'll find 440 cubic inches of polished and poised big block that's been upgraded with some choice power modifications. That 440 is backed by an A727 3-speed that spins an 8 3/4 inch rear axle. Rare collector cars are great, but classics like this Charger Resto mod are what make our hobby so much fun. A fully sorted Street Fighter that can be driven for years to come, this coupe is an easy way to relive all the glory of the golden age of Detroit. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.